Hey there, Judi Jamieson, the psychic here. In this video, I'm going to talk about when your energy, or what I will say, your magical ass is just too freaking bright for some people. For empaths, we would look at this as rejection. This video here, if you're an empath and you struggle with rejection, or your heart is broken and you're struggling to pick up the pieces and go forward with your life, how to heal that emotion, this video is for you. So real quick before we get started here, if you are new and you have no idea who I am, my name is Judi Jamieson. I'm a psychic. I teach intuition and psychic development, but with a twist. More specifically, I work with empaths who are ready to heal from toxic and abusive relationships, fully tune into their gifts, fully power up, discover their value, their worth, and pretty much turn the dial to their badass magicalness all the way through the freaking roof so you learn how to repel toxic and manipulative people. As an empath, you will spend your entire freaking life attracting these kind of people to you. So it's imperative that you learn how to dial yourself all the way freaking up and just blind the fuck out of some people. So if that sounds like you and something that you're interested in, I am your new virtual best friend, and you're going to want to hit the subscribe button that's underneath this video. I'm going to give you a second to do that right now. If you're really serious about powering up, discovering your value and worth, and how to repel people and tune into your superpowers, you're going to want to hang out to the end of the video, because I got two things for you that I guarantee you're going to want. All right, so first let's start off with, as an empath, right? We are givers, we're lovers, we're caretakers, we're healers, right? We just want to make everybody happy. But when something happens and somebody rejects us, it hurts. It freaking hurts. And then we go into this thing, depending on what kind of empath you are, where you think something's wrong with you, or what can I do to make it better, or how can I fix it? And some of us even, I want to say, shit on ourselves and try and dim our light and change ourselves to appease somebody else because we might be in a fantasy land. You know, the fantasy land when you first meet somebody and you get all the butterflies in your stomach and this person puts on their best behavior and then you notice things start changing. That's not them changing. That's them showing you their true colors. The mask comes off. As empaths, we attract toxic people. It just comes with the territory. The other issue that we run into is when you meet new people, not everybody is your cup of tea. Not everybody understands you. We're not all from the same freaking planet. Some people just are not as awake or alive or filled with passion that they understand your energy. Your light is just too freaking bright because they're still in the dark. As an empath, the one freaking thing that I can tell you that will help you always stay in your power, discover yourself, or to not attract toxic things, to flat out repel it. As you go through your life, you need to look at things as attract the right person and repel the wrong. You want to own who you are at all times and stay in your true, authentic self. Now, if you struggle with that, if you're like over the top people pleaser and you sacrifice all parts of yourself and put yourself last and other people first, ooh, you're going to want to hang out to the end of the video because I got a workshop coming up that'll help you with that. Look at rejection as a blessing, a universal blessing. Be thankful and throw yourself a freaking universal happy rejection party. Instead of tuning into the pain that things didn't work out or it didn't turn out the way you envisioned it, or maybe even the way somebody pumped a bunch of shit up your ass. Have a freaking party that you found out and discovered what it is that you found out and discovered when you did. Even if it's something that took you 15 years in a marriage to discover. Be thankful you finally discovered it and tuned into it. Embrace that rejection. Embrace the incompatibility. Not every single blessing in your life comes in the form of happiness and freaking unicorns and magic. Some of it comes in the form of some nasty freaking cough medicine, even penicillin or whatever other negative bad things you can think of. It is the universe saving your ass. That's how you need to look at it. If you can't handle rejection and you're trying to change yourself to suit somebody else's needs, you are essentially self-sabotaging and killing yourself. For what? Why? For who? As an empath, you want to get in the routine and be okay with attracting your tribe and flat out repelling those who will not vibe with you. Now, the other thing you got to be aware of, we naturally attract to us toxic and manipulative people. So you got to be aware of who is toxic and who is manipulative and how to spot spot those signs right out the freaking gate so you don't fall for a bunch of crap. Because manipulators, they're really good at feeding you crap, especially if you're an empath, because you're just that lovey-dovey healer. They play on various different sympathetic things, woe is me, they play the victim, or they just pump so much freaking sunshine up your ass, you just can't help but take it. So when your magical ass is just too freaking magical for some, do not dim your light. Do not change who you are to suit somebody else. Hold on to your intensity and know that that's there as a protection mechanism, we'll say, from the universe. Take the negativity, see it as a blessing, and then throw yourself a freaking party. When you repel that, or when somebody else rejects you, it's nothing more than your energy, your badassness, not vibing with them. That is the universe's way of saving you from potential destruction. Who here knows what it's like to rebuild your freaking life from nothing? Give me a thumbs up. It sucks, it ain't easy, and it's hard. So when somebody rejects you, or your energy naturally rejects somebody else, give it a freaking hug and say thank you. So remember, I told you I got something for you. If you're someone who is struggling with rejection, you have an issue setting boundaries, you say yes when you really want to say no, you seem to attract a lot of toxic relationships to you, maybe you don't know your true value and your worth, I got a workshop coming up it's called an Empath Survival Guide. The link to that is right below. That will teach you how to discover, tune into, ignite, and power yourself the hell up to be your true, authentic self and live the life that you were born to freaking live, not what some jackass or Joe Schmo is trying to get you to live. The other thing I got for you, if you are suffering from a broken heart and you're struggling moving forward with your life, from someone who has survived domestic violence, narcissistic abuse, and rape, I put together a course that is less than $20 freaking dollars that will walk you through everything you need to freaking do, learn, feel, understand, and accept in order to heal yourself and move forward. The link to that is also below. So I got a question for you. One of the reasons why I do these videos is I like to make them interactive. Only way that's going to be interactive is if you comment below. So I got a question for you. Talk to me. If you're someone who struggles with rejection and you really don't know how to handle it, ask yourself why. Go deep below, forget the subsurface stuff. Allow yourself to go deep and ask yourself why. What is it that you're afraid of? Do me a favor. If you got the balls or the courage and you figure it out, comment below. What is it that you're really afraid of? That will give you a lot of freaking answers. If you're someone who has learned how to deal with rejection and you didn't become salty and hard and cold to the world, but you're still in tune with your lovable empathic abilities, comment below and share how you do that, or how you did it, or what it is that you do on a regular basis to maintain that energy. Be authentic, stand in your power, own your energy, do not dim your light for anybody. You know what? I'm gonna do a video on how to understand and discover if you are a true authentic person or if you're an empath putting on a fake face just to people please and appease other people. All right, so hopefully you hit the subscribe button underneath this video. Hopefully you're gonna talk to me and comment below. If you're vibing with me, you feel what I'm saying, hit the thumbs up button, share the video. Check out the links that are below because they are created from my heart to yours. I hope you have a wonderful, phenomenal, kick freaking ass day, and hopefully I will see you right here on this channel.